And my mother and parents both are educated only. So on that time, when my mother once told me one time कि बेटा थोड़ा नमक लेके आओ from the kitchen. So for on that time my father told her that तुमने जो जिंदगी जिया है, I will not allow her to live the same life. So on that day, I think they have changed their mindset and whatever be. So they have decided that they will push me towards the education. So वहीं से जर्नी स्टार्टेड है. एंड जैसे घर का अगर वातावरण फैमिली इन्वायरमेंट इज एजुकेटेड एंड माइंडसेट इज good and developmental towards development, so people will try to do development and the same time they will try to do growth. So there is a difference between development and growth. Development is you are taking something from a point, and growth is you are you are going towards the goal with taking each and everything in a smooth way. So this is the way I started, and then by facing so much ups and downs, I came here, and I got married to an army person. He's a national player, and he got chance for international also. But due to my daughter's health condition, we could not make those things, and we suffered a lot. She is the on the starting time she was the cerebral palsy child, that is HIE. But after so long time, 7 to 8 months of struggle, and with the help of occupational therapies and psychotherapy, whatever with the I came back to the job, and then after came back to the job, I completed my MBA theories paper, and this is the life. So one thing is that so many people will. I have faced a lot of shame here also and other places also because of a tribal girl. But it's not about the tribal and gender and whatever. We all are from the ancient time, and on that time there was no class differentiation. So I have faced. Sometimes I was like, "You may face कर रही हो," but then whatever I am the product of my parents. They want me to be happy till I will die. So my target is to be always be happy. Whatever with the people will tell, that is not, they are not going to give me the food and the extra things. The thing is that I have to be developed, I have to be happy, and I have to grow my next generation as my parents started for me, and I have to do better than that place. So this is the thing. Last time मुझे ईस्टर्न रीजन के जो आर्मी कमांडर जो हेड है, he is handling around 100 to 200 headquarters. So उनकी जो wife है, she called me for the speech, motivational speech on the Kolkata Fort William to motivate so many ladies on the national level, that has been telecasted on YouTube online basis, and people have motivated. 10 ladies was there, and all the ladies are the wife of commandant and brigadier, and I was the wife of the Sipahi, just the lowest rank in the army. But just because of the positive attitude, you can get any position in the life. So I just also thanks to Dada and sir also, my section in charge. He always helped me as a mother, because I was struggling a lot. As in comparison to a simple mother, I struggled a lot, and the section my colleague, Didi, and all helped me a lot. On the time when I was not able to understand what to write, so many mistakes I did, but they always supported me. The reason behind today's my standing life is all people. They become backbone in NSC section. So NSC section is like family to me. That's why I never be professional on the section. I was like, this is my family, and I have to stay here like a doctor only.
Okay, thank you. Hey, welcome to the army. Welcome to the army.